Behind every business decision, every financial report, and every data analysis, there's one silent powerhouse that's been dominating the corporate world for decades. Right now, as you watch this video, trillions of dollars are flowing through the global economy. Major business decisions are being made, companies are being bought and sold, and behind nearly all of it is a simple spreadsheet program you probably have on your computer right now. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how this seemingly simple spreadsheet program became the backbone of global business. It's not blockchain, it's not artificial intelligence, it's Microsoft Excel, and it might be the most powerful piece of software ever created. From small businesses to Fortune 500 companies, from Wall Street to Main Street, Excel has become more than just software, it's the universal language of business. But how did a basic spreadsheet program become so indispensable that the global economy practically runs on it? Think about this. More people know how to use Excel than speak English. It processes more financial data than all the world's banks combined. And it's so deeply embedded in business that the global economy would likely collapse if Excel disappeared overnight. At its core, Excel is deceptively powerful. But here's what most people don't realize. What we think of as just a spreadsheet program has evolved into something far more powerful. Behind its simple interface lies a sophisticated platform capable of running complex financial models, automation scripts, and even artificial intelligence applications. Take Office scripts, for example. This feature allows businesses to automate repetitive tasks, turning hours of manual work into seconds of automated precision. Companies can record their actions once and replay them across different workbooks and worksheets, saving countless hours of human effort. At first glance, Excel looks simple: rows, columns, and cells. But that's like saying the ocean is just water. Behind this familiar interface lies something far more powerful. Excel's true power lies in its versatility. Whether you're analyzing data, creating financial models, or managing inventory, Excel adapts to virtually any business need. It's become so integral that many companies build their entire operational systems around it. However, most people use less than 5% of Excel's capabilities. They see it as a glorified calculator, but beneath the surface, the program's automation capabilities are transforming how businesses operate. From scheduling tasks to processing data, Excel's scripting abilities are helping companies streamline their workflows and improve productivity dramatically. Take Sarah, a financial analyst at Goldman Sachs. She's using Excel to model complex derivatives worth billions of dollars. Or Mike, a supply chain manager at Amazon, using Excel to optimize delivery routes across entire continents. These aren't just spreadsheets, they're sophisticated decision-making engines, and they're running on the same program you might use to track your household budget. But Excel isn't resting on its laurels. Microsoft continues to enhance its capabilities with features like Power Automate integration, allowing businesses to create automated workflows that connect Excel with other applications and services. These integrations mean Excel can now trigger automated responses, schedule tasks, and even communicate with other software systems, making it an even more powerful tool for business automation. What once took teams of people hours to complete can now happen in seconds. One button press can update thousands of prices, generate complete financial reports, analyze market trends, send customized emails, and synchronize data across entire organizations. For businesses, this isn't just convenient, it's revolutionary. Companies are saving millions in labor costs through Excel automation alone. The future of Excel looks even more promising. With artificial intelligence integration and advanced data analysis capabilities, Excel is evolving from a spreadsheet program into a comprehensive business intelligence platform. Excel isn't just a tool, it's a universal language. Across industries, from finance to healthcare, from logistics to retail, Excel bridges the gap between people and data, no matter the size of the organization. The adaptability of Excel is its genius. A Fortune 500 CFO uses it to track their billion-dollar budgets. Meanwhile, a small bakery uses it to organize its weekly ingredient orders. Who else can serve such a wide range of customers with the exact same tool? Excel's ability to seamlessly adapt to virtually any business need has turned it into the unchallenged standard. Over 1 billion people use Excel today, and in many industries it's as common as email. Even better, Excel has evolved to make teamwork easier. With cloud integration through Microsoft 365, teams anywhere in the world can work on the same spreadsheet in real time. Teams can collaborate on data analysis, pivot tables, or complex workflows without ever stepping into the same office. This makes Excel indispensable in our increasingly remote-first world. Excel is no longer just a personal productivity tool, it's a collaboration powerhouse, able to link individuals, departments, and companies together. And yet, despite this evolution, Excel still maintains the simple, intuitive tools that make it so easy for anyone to pick up and use. Universities and business schools have integrated Excel training into their curricula, recognizing its importance in the professional world. Whether you're a small business owner or a corporate executive, understanding Excel's full potential isn't just helpful, it's essential. It's the silent force that keeps businesses running, decisions flowing, and profits growing. Next time you open Excel, remember, you're not just using a spreadsheet program. You're tapping into one of the most powerful business tools ever created. Thank you for watching this close look into how Microsoft Excel quietly rules the business world. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into the tools and trends shaping the business landscape.